Hi, everybody. This is Bob Ichino from Path Trading Partners, along with my co-founder, Mike Arnold. It is October 8th, and this is a Path Chat educational update covering cryptocurrencies. And this is Litecoin and Ripple, a 4-day rally in Litecoin, although not much of a move from a percentage perspective, and a huge rally in Ripple. So let me turn over to Mike so he can describe what's going on the charts. Mike, it's all yours.
Litecoin US dollar got a close above the trend line. The defining point was actually this level right here, 52.5370. We got a close just above it. That did not go into clear path, and then this next candle actually closed, cutting through the wicks into our advanced clear path. Really nice return to the rotation zone, move back up. This hit a first retracement extension targets from the low on October 5th to the high on October 6th, projected from the low on the 7th, the 1.0 full projection. So that's been hit, this 54.10, just showing everybody how you can use that little tool to produce nice ABC moves. The next key level up is the end of this advanced clear path, 54.87. We may have some resistance right about the 54.59, so that could be an area if it runs up to there, and you can watch for a retracement move, pullback. Then the next key level higher is 55.68. Then we'll be watching for something around the 56.75 area. Let's check in on the daily. It's important to keep that in mind. Daily chart, you can see it's finally getting above the flat rotation zone, right, trading against the 50-day exponential. There's that significant level. So it's still got some stuff to work through before we get in really bullish mode. In order for us to get in super bullish mode, it will have to get above about this 56.84. We'll call it 56.80 to 57 area. Then we may have a nice horizontal channel breakout. So as it gets closer to those levels, we'll project that for you on another later video. Switching over to Ripple US dollar, which has been on a really nice tear. We were watching in case it did pull back more for a close below this potential double top. Never got the close below. This was not below the base, so that never triggered, and it's not one we would have shorted because it was just looking for possible pullback levels. Came back, got the nice rotation back up. Great example of a nice rotation trade, and then it took off through our next key levels, through the end of the clear path. Now and we're actually closing above this longer term trend line. The next major targets are 0.273578 and then 0.28912564. Now we can redraw these key levels. We have a nice pullback, so we can do some GAM projections from this last pullback into rotation zone. So the lows from the 7th to the most recent highs with this little pullback before that, and then help fine tune our levels. See this end of the clear path and the 0.125 levels lining up pretty close, that 0.27357 to 0.2746375. So that's going to be key, and then above that the 0.2793675. It is getting extended, so at some point we will get a bigger pullback, so watch for that pullback into the rotation zone on the 4-hour chart. Looking at the daily, let's clean this up a bit and see how this does look. So there are the key levels over there, and that this upper was 0.2890 level, almost lines up at the end of this clear path. We still have a lot of stopping points, so that's where when we hit these key stopping points, we'll be watching for rotations. We're also getting above this very key resistance area and this trend line on the daily basis. So don't be surprised to possibly see a pullback to kiss the trend line goodbye and let some of this rotation zone catch up on the daily basis. That would still keep us in bullish mode. It's just then being patient for the next place to add another position around the core trading position. That's what we have for you on Ripple and Litecoin. Back to you, Bob.
Thanks for that, Mike. Thank you guys for watching. If you would like to, we'd love to have your support on our Patreon page. The link is in the description below. Also, check out the Money Path podcast and hit like and subscribe if you like what we're doing. Cheers, guys. Thanks for watching.